Hey you guys, how y'all doing? Good morning, good morning, good morning. Almost afternoon, it's like 20 till noon. I'm gonna be good doing a quick clean, kitchen clean, and cook with me pancakes, eggs, and maybe some hot dogs and sausages for the meat. I don't know, we'll see. But come along with me. If you are new here, we are That Family 5. My name is Atoya. I'm the wife and mother of That Family 5. We are the family that loves life and having fun. Our channel consists of us doing cleaning motivations, family vlogs, and anything lifestyle, like hairstyles, lifestyles. So I cannot wait for y'all to hopefully click that subscribe button and comment down below who you are, where you're from, and what you hope to see in our channel. So there's dishes. That's how a little better. If y'all can figure out, help me out how to, yeah, I don't know. But the dishes, yeah. So this is what we're gonna be doing today. I'm going to wash them, put them up, and then yeah. You put a child on kitchen duty and then they don't do it. This is why I get irritated so quickly. Teenagers. But I've been nice to her because she started working. I'm so proud of her. Do your chores. Please. Alright, see y'all soon. Y'all look at my locks. I'm just loving the growth. Like my hair, normally, I'm gonna tell y'all. My hair normally would not grow. Like it just wouldn't grow, but look at this, y'all. It's like, look, it's past collarbone. Do y'all see this? Look, I'm gonna show you in the back. Y'all, look. Do y'all see that? Do y'all see that? Oh my gosh. I am so proud of my hair.
So much to see that ain't about love. I'm ready to face my fears. I'm ready to taste the weird. I just wanna walk the hills above. My ordinary life, I could let it burn. 'Cause I just wanna go to the deep end. I just wanna go to the deepest end.
Oh my gosh, we know how we love a satisfying kitchen sink cleaning. I cannot wait till we get a garbage disposal. That's one of the things on the to-do list for the house. So right now I'm using my Dawn, and then I'm going to use my Barkeeper's Friend, and it made my sink shine so well that I can use it as a mirror. I love it, I love it, I love it. I hope y'all enjoyed
don't take me back. Just go, 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 go. Yeah, I can't.
So who cleanses their area before they start to cook? So that's what I was doing this day, because Doug wanted me to cook breakfast. So I was like, okay, I cook breakfast, but I need to clean the kitchen because the teenager didn't do it. So yes, I had to clean the kitchen.
Just wanna go, go, go to the deepest day. No planning, no stress, and no work, no trying to fix what we have. Just go, go, go to the deepest day.
Girl, you should wear a name tag.
Say hi. Tell my birthday, say hi.
Girl, you should wear a name tag. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Whoa. Let's go. Summer's gone, I'm latching on. Don't even know your name, but you're still in my head. Underneath rays of gold, your body oh so close. No, I can't forget, no. When I saw you on the dance floor, oh, I saw you who saw me first. I guess it's history now, and I shouldn't care, but it still hurts. I didn't realize the danger, cause you're the end of the rainbow. And the music was so loud, didn't catch your name over this crowd. Girl, you should wear a name tag, cause all I wanna do is to know your name. Girl, you should wear a name tag, that's the only way that I get your name. Girl, you should wear a name tag, it's too important, should be your name. People go insane when you walk by. Girl, you should wear a name tag. Girl, you should wear a name tag. Lose control of myself, can't find you anywhere. Been trying for too long. I give up, I'm out of luck. Been looking everywhere, it doesn't make sense, no. So bring it back, cause I need you on the dance floor. 4 a.m. and we go home. I guess it's history now, and I shouldn't care, but it still hurts. I didn't realize the danger, cause you're the end of the rainbow. And the music.
So the pancakes consist of the protein pancakes and the Krusteaz pancakes together. The protein pancakes I don't think it has a leveling agent in it, so they're not fluffy at all. And I like my pancakes fluffy, so if we mix them together, we feel like we get the healthy version of a bad pancake. Maybe, maybe not. I don't know. And I still put a little bit of vanilla in it just to make it seem like it's coming from IHOP. You know what I'm saying? I'll tell y'all about that story later. We are a cheesy family, therefore we like cheese on just about everything.
I didn't realize the danger, cause you're the end of the rainbow. And the music was so loud. Girl, you should wear a name tag.
Maybe it's cause we're young, got time and we're wasted, got no plans for the night. I love how you look at me, feeling like nothing to lose.
And as always, when I cook, I make my husband's plate first, and when he cooks, he makes my plate. It's just out of respect for each other, and you know that other than God, your spouse comes first. So thank you so much for watching this video. We want to make sure that y'all subscribe, like, and comment on this video. Don't forget to do the same, and then go ahead and follow me on Instagram and Facebook, because we are doing the 200 subscribers giveaway. So I'm excited for that, which consists of getting $25 either from Cash App or a $25 care package of cleaning products. I hope y'all have a blessed day and blessed night. Continue watching. till the end, and then next time we'll see you on the tube. Thank you so much. Y'all be blessed.
And so done. I knew that you were the one. Played our songs all the time. Can we stay here tonight? 'Cause I don't wanna go. I know the tension's gone now.